What if everyday life suddenly got sweeter, fluffier, and just little more chaotic all at once? That's exactly what the angel next door spoils me rotten delivers, and now it's about to do it again. Season 2 is on the way, and fans are already buzzing about the return of Mahiru and Amani's heart-melting interaction. But when exactly can you expect this slice of life romance to hit screens? Let's break it down. Hello everyone, it's our Senpai. If you love anime as much as I do, make sure to like, subscribe and click that bell so you can always watch along with the Senpai squad. Season 1 capture our heart with Mahiru, the sweet caring angel next door who effortlessly spoiled her neighbor Amani with kindness, snacks and occasional teasing smile. It's kind of show that makes you want to hug your own neighbors or at least hope someone like Mahiru shows up at your doorstep. The mix of comedy, romance, and slice of life charm created a perfect little bubble for viewers, giving us those wholesome vibes we didn't know we were missing. Now, what makes season 2 so exciting? It's expected to continue building on the relationship while introducing more cute, awkward, and heartwarming moments. Think of it as turning up the sweetness dial without breaking the comedy or pacing. We can anticipate new scenarios, deeper character interaction, and perhaps even some surprising twists that challenge the dynamic between Mahiru and Amani. And the moment we have been waiting for, the Angel Next Door spoils me roar the season 2 premieres on April 26. That's right, mark your calendar because spring is about to get a lot softer, cuter, and funnier. Perfect timing for fans to binge and share all the adorable moments with friends or the internet community. Because, let's be honest, this show is the kind you screenshot obsessively. One thing to watch in season 2 is animation and production quality. Season 1 had some gorgeous backgrounds and character expression that sold the subtle humor and tenderness in every scene. Season 2 will need to keep that level of detail while handling complex interactions, so every small gesture, blush, or snack sharing scene hits just right. After all, it's a tiny, everyday moment that makes this series so compelling. And while it's overwhelmingly wholesome, don't underestimate the storytelling. The show balances comedy, romance, and realism, showing how relationships develop in little steps over time. Season 2 will likely continue to explore that, deepening character arcs and giving fans those satisfying moments we live for, all while maintaining the charm that made us fall in love with Mahiru in the first place. So, here's the recap. The Angel Next Door spoils me rotten season 2 premiere on April 23rd. The Angel Next Door spoils me rotten season 2 premieres on April 26th. Ready to continue the fluffy, heartwarming adventures we all adore. Expect laughter, swooning subtle emotional beats, and plenty of snacks because Mahiru isn't going anywhere. The only question left is, are you ready to dive back in springtime sweetness with Mahiru and Amani, or are you already practicing your flustered reaction for the moments that hit just right? Either way, the Angel Next Door is back and we are all invited to enjoy the ride. That's the end for today. If you had fun, make sure to like and click the bell icon.